Hey y'all, my name's Beth. I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist in the health promotion department at the University of Georgia Health Center, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a smoothie with no blender. So we need a few things to start, but not much equipment. So this is great if you don't have a blender, or you're trying to make something kind of on the go, or maybe you want to make a smoothie but you live in the dorms and you don't have the equipment. So we're going to start off with a jar. So I'm using here a jar with a lid. The lid is really the important part because we're going to be shaking it up. If you don't have a jar, or if you just wanted to use something like a tumbler that has a closed lid, then that'll work just fine. You can use whatever type of milk you like. Here I've got some oat milk, that's what you happen to have on hand. We're going to use applesauce. So for our fruits, obviously a smooth fruit, we don't really need a blender to like grind and puree it. We're going to use a little bit of non-fat, unsweetened Greek yogurt, so give us some good calcium, some protein, and then some flax seeds. So flax seeds are a great source of heart and brain healthy omega-3s, also a great source of dietary fiber, and they'll give kind of a nice nutty flavor to our smoothie. And then 1 to 2 teaspoons of sweetener is optional. So I've got agave nectar. You could also use regular table sugar, maple syrup, or honey. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So we're gonna use half a cup of applesauce. So that's gonna be this entire little container. So this is just one of those little applesauce to-go containers. Makes it kind of easy, you know how much it is to measure out. So we're gonna use about half a cup of this Greek yogurt. Now this container is about 6 ounces, so I don't quite need to use the whole thing. So I'm just gonna eyeball it. Go ahead and put in 2 tablespoons of our ground flax seeds. Again, that's going to give us some protein, some fiber, good heart healthy omega-3s, about a teaspoon of sweetener. Just go ahead. Next, we'll do about a cup of milk. And if you don't have a measuring cup, that's okay. You just definitely need to make sure that you have enough to cover all the dry ingredients in the smoothie. And I didn't mention this at first, but I'm going to throw in a little shake of cinnamon because why not? Who doesn't like apples and cinnamon? That would also be great with like some cardamom, or maybe some ginger, or some pumpkin pie spice if you wanted to do that too. So I give it a pretty healthy little shake. Right, all of our ingredients ready to go. And we are the blender, so we're just gonna give it a good shake, and it doesn't take much. There's a few little kind of lumps of yogurt remaining. That's it. It smells delicious, like apples and cinnamon, and you're good to go. Smoothie, no blender, great. All right, try it out. Cheers.